Good morning, my students. Good morning, everyone. As we all know, the topic we have been battling for weeks now, vectors. And we have discussed unit vectors, we are the third position vectors. Today we'll be talking about vectors and geometry. I'll be giving two examples. I will know about geometry is about shapes, the study of shapes, and we'll be dealing with many shapes, triangle, parallelogram, and so on. Vectors and geometry. Two examples, and then you have your own class tasks. You copy your notes and you submit your work. Look at this example one. We are given this triangle ONM. We are given this place as x, and we are given that this x divides this MN in a ratio of 1 to 4. Then this one is 1 to 4. We're having 5. 1 to 5, that is 1 to 4. And we're given that this vector n and m. We have to express this in terms of m and n. So we're not using on and this. We have to express in terms of what? M and n. And from the question, you asked to find mn, b, find mx, and c, find ox. Let's start to solve this now. Solution. Your solution, looking at this diagram, I can see that my mn will be equal to, if I should draw the diagram, let me draw the diagram. If I want to find mn, look at this diagram. This is my O, this is my n, this is my m. We are given this place to be m, we are given this place to be n. So this is we are looking for, the resultant we are looking for. So our mn, looking at the mn, will be mo plus on. And what is my mo? Mo is my small letter m, bold. And what is my on? But looking at this one is going in the same direction with the resultant. That will be negative m. It will be negative m, and my on is opposite. That will be n. So my mn is negative m plus n. That's our A. What about our B? Our B, mx. Looking at our mx. What is our mx? This is our mx. Our mx is ratio of 1 to 5. So my mx will give me 1 over 5 of, what is this? Mn. And what is my mn? That is what we already gotten that here. That is negative m plus n. That's the answer to that. And the last part, we have to find ox. Let me draw the diagram for ox. Looking at that, I'm having something like this. This is my O, this is my X, and this is my M. From here, this is my M. This is OX, is what we are looking for. X. So how can we get this? Looking at this, one is moving like this. My OX will be equal to what? OM plus what? Plus M what? MX. That is, my OX that the result I will look for OM plus MX. So what is my OM? Our OM is already M, and our MX, I already gotten that. Our MX is 1 over 5 minus M plus N. Find the LCM. My M will be plus, that will be negative 5, negative M over 5. Open that bracket, plus n over 5. Looking at that, that is, I'm having m minus m over 5 plus n over 5. That's it. That is my OX. Find the LCM. LCM is 5. 1 in 5. 5 times M. That is 5M. 5 in 5, 1 times this. That will be what? M. Plus 5 in 5, 1. 1 times N. 5M minus 5 mango by another mango. That will be what? 4M plus 10 over 5. I can split that. My OX will be equivalent to 4 over 5M plus 1 over 5N. So that is all about that question. You need to be very, very careful. And I'll be giving you another question. Another question I will be giving you. Look at this question, example 2. Example 2. You are given that triangle. Look at the triangle ABC. They said that M and N are the midpoints of AB and AC. You also prove that this MN is half of this. Remember in your SS1, under geometry, you were taught this theorem. Now you have a parallel like this with their midpoints, they are half of this. We want to prove it right now using vectors. Everybody look up. Let my MA. We are given that our MA is our small a, both, and our AN is our what? Our B. You bold in that. Therefore, what is my MN? My MN here. Looking at my MN, look at this triangle. My MN will be MA plus AN. Look at it. Look at the resultant. MA plus AN. And what is your MA? MA is A and my AN is B. I can do that. And remember also my BM is the same thing as MA. Since this one is the midpoint, that is my BM is equal to MA. Also, my CN is equal to NA. CN is equal to NA. Since their N is also the midpoint, therefore I can say that my BA, look at my BA, I can conclude that my BA is equal to 2MA. Also, in the other side here, I can conclude that my BC, in other side there, my AC rather, my AC in this other side, I can conclude that my AC is 2AN. Remember, this one is A, that will be 2 of A. The one is B, that will be 2 of B. Therefore, I can say that what is my BC? This is my BC now. My BC will be BA. Can you see now? BC, that will be BA plus AC. And what's our BA? 2A. What's our BC? What's our AC is what? 2B. I can factorize that 2 into A plus B. Definitely, what is our A plus B here? Looking at this, our A plus B is MN. So my BC will be 2 into MN. If 2 of this is this, therefore my MN divided through by 2, my MN, if I divide through by 2, my MN will be half BC. Proved. Thank you. Read through very well. Solve questions that will be given unto you. You see another one in your notes. Look at it very well. If you have any question, comment through the Google Classroom and we reply you immediately. Thank you.